Please help me welcome Damian Smith, CEO of Guerrilla Social Media.
What did you think about his presentation?
I thought Damian did a fantastic job.
What is social media?
And Facebook has definitely been around for a while, but I think we did the right thing in waiting and doing this the right way.
We are with the Senior Vice President of Marketing and Sales, Nancy.
Not only what I asked him to cover, but even more so, went above and beyond.
Engaging your community. So it's not about talking about business, because guess what? No one cares.
Hit every point I asked him to hit.
We're going to come up with some good ideas to not just retain our current customers, but to attract new customers, and from a recruiting standpoint, it's just a great tool to have.
So on social media, of course you want to bring in new people, but what you really want to do is you want to engage the community that you already have to bring in more people that are like them.
Excellent. He did research to hear about Monarch, went on our website, found specific information that I hadn't even told him, and really incorporated the personal touch.
Not only did I like it from a professional standpoint, but it helped me personally.
Personal branding is about your interests and your values, and then how those interests and values incorporate into whatever it is that you do.
I think my co-workers were very impressed with this presentation.
A++.